Welcome back to AutoVision channel. Today we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated electric SUVs of 2025, the brand new Tesla Model Y. Sleeker, smarter, and even more powerful than before. Let's see what makes this EV stand out in the electric revolution. The 2025 Model Y gets a subtle yet futuristic facelift. Tesla has improved the aerodynamics with smoother lines, new LED light designs, and a redesigned front bumper that looks sharper and more modern. The flush door handles, panoramic glass roof, and 19 to 21-inch alloy wheel options give it a premium, sporty vibe. It's still instantly recognizable, but more refined than ever. Step inside, and the 2025 Model Y continues Tesla's clean and minimalist interior approach. The massive 15-inch touchscreen remains the central command hub, now with faster responsiveness and better voice control. The updated software includes Tesla Vision 2.0, offering smarter navigation and enhanced autopilot features. Wireless charging, customizable, ambient lighting, premium audio, and vegan leather seats make it a luxurious ride. Plus, there's even more room in the back, thanks to better seat design and smarter space management. The 2025 Model Y offers three variants: standard range, long range, and performance. The long-range model gives you up to 330 miles on a single charge, while the performance variant rockets from 0 to 60 in just 3.5 seconds. All-wheel drive, dual-motor setup, and improved suspension make it not just quick, but smooth and composed on the road. Whether you're commuting or road tripping, this EV gives you the range and punch you need. Charging is faster and more accessible than ever with the updated V4 supercharger network, giving you up to 200 miles in just 15 minutes. Safety has also been upgraded with Tesla's latest full self-driving beta and 360-degree vision cameras. The Model Y now includes lane detection enhancements and emergency auto steering, all standard. The 2025 Tesla Model Y starts at around $47,000, depending on the variant and options. For a blend of tech, performance, safety, and all-electric freedom, this is still one of the best electric SUVs you can buy today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AutoVision for more automotive insights.